Hi guys, I'm back with another mani, and so I have some full coverage nail tips here from BTR Box, and I went in off camera and applied a thin layer of 𝑀𝒊𝒔𝒉's gel base coat to the nails and cured for 60 seconds. And so I have some colors here: Perfect Gold, Perfect Black, Perfect Green, Loyal, and RBG. I do not use Perfect Green or RBG. I did switch that out for Perfect Red. So we're going to go ahead and get into this application. This is a Black History themed nail set. And so with Black History Month, it comes every year in February, the shortest month of the year. And so I decided to do, I think I'll end up doing 2 sets. I bought a dip powder inspired by Black History Month off Etsy, and I want to do a video with that. And so I'm applying a thin layer of gel polish to all of the nails, and then I will cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. And the reason why I didn't use RBG is like an iridescent gel polish color. So if you put it on top of any color, it's going to add an iridescent type effect to the nail, and so I decided not to use that. And then the green, I just didn't like it with the water slide decals that I will be using. I was like, I would rather switch that out for red. And Perfect Red is a nice vibrant red. I think it's just if you want a nice red, Perfect Red is the way to go. And so with 𝑀𝒊𝒔𝒉's gel polishes, they are cruelty-free, vegan, palm oil free, HEMA free, and they have a what did I say, cruelty free? I think they're cruelty free as well. And so with their polishes, they are a 60-second cure in the LED lamp. And so I need to be better at drawing designs, because I could have probably did a nice little striping design if I could draw a straight line, but I can't to save my life. But anyway, I digress. So once I get a thin layer of color on all the nails, again, I do cure my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. Here are the nails after the first coat. I decided to make the thumbnail black as well. I'm going in and applying a thin second coat of color to all of the nails, and then I will cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. After I get the nails cured, I'm going in with some water slide decals from Spirit Art Designs. These are titled Black History Month, and I've used them before. And so I'm going in with the decal that says Black History Month, and month is crossed out and it says period. And so I do cut that out, place it on a paper towel that I cut into pieces, spray that with water. I'm giving the water time to do its thing to release the decal from the paper back, and I'm then using my nail stamper to place that on the nail. I should have applied a layer of base coat, but I did not, because it makes the decal easier to move around on the nail. And so after that, I am going in with a nail stamping plate, and that's the other hand, my left hand, because I did a full set. And so I'm going in with the nail stamping plate I got from Amazon years ago by 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, so whatever, I don't know how you say that, but the other side still had the film on it. And so I wanted to go in with like that tribal print, and I'm going in with 𝑀𝒊𝒔𝒉 straight up black. And at the bottom of that plate is just an image. Again, looks like tribal print to me. I don't know what you call it, but I'm going in and I've already cleaned my plate off with acetone, and I'm just applying the stamping polish, using my scraper card to scrape that image clean, using my stamper to pick up the image. I'm going to place that on the nail. And so I do that on both of the hands, or the nails for both hands, and then after that I'm going to go in and top coat. so here are the nails with the nail stamping, and I did switch the left hand and right hand up. And so I'm going in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's no wipe top coat, making sure I get the nails coated, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now with these particular tips, they are a little wide. They're just wide to me and bulky. I think these particular brand of nail tips, they're bulky at the cuticle area and they're bulky at the tip, and they're just all around bulky to me. Some fit well, some don't. Plus I do have a thin layer of builder gel on both hands, just a really thin layer, and so that kind of adds a little bulk to the nail as well. And so I do apply these with my Jolly Snaps. I love my Jolly Snaps. Let me tell y'all something. I put these on a Sunday, and today is Tuesday. I'm doing my voiceover. I had to take these things off yesterday, and it took an act of Congress to get these doggone nails off. It was hard. It was hard. And so here are the nails. This is my right hand and my left hand. I thought they were really cute, but a little bulky. So please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. And you can see they don't fit all the way because I do have some builder gel on the nail, but they stayed. I had to pry these things off. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.